Hello guys, welcome to Inspire Educare. I am Aditya. In this video, we will solve one problem from the topic arrays, which is generally asked in interviews. Today's question is to arrange given number to form the biggest number. That is, we are given an array of numbers. We have to arrange them in such a way that we will form the largest value. Note that the number found will be very large, so we have to return that number as a string. So let's understand this with the help of an example. So here is an input array consisting of element 3, 30, 54, 34, 5 and 9. So now we have to arrange this number in such a way that it will form the largest value, that is the biggest number. So the output is this. So here this 9 is this 5 is this element, this 34 is this element, and this 3 is this, and at last this 30 is this. So we have arranged this number in such a way that it forms this number. So let's see how we can solve this question. So the idea is to use comparison based sorting algorithm. In this we will write a comparison function compare and use it to sort number. So let's see why we can't use the normal sorting function which we already have. So suppose we have an array A, it's consisting of element 25, 60, 7. So if we sort the instruction and reverse it, so the array will become 60, 25 and 7. So here we can the largest number that is formed is 60, 25 and 7. This is the number which we form. But this is not the largest number which we can form by arranging these elements. The largest number which we can form by arranging the element of array A is 76025. So this is the largest number which we can form. Let's understand how compare function will work. Compare function will have two string argument because we will pass the array element as string. So now we will compare two number xy and yx. In xy, y is appended at the end of x, and in yx, x is appended at the end of y using append function of string. So now we will compare. If xi is larger, then x should come before y in output, else y should come before x in the output. So let's understand this with the help of an example. So here we have a number, two numbers. First is x, which is equal to 36, and second is y, which is equal to 46. Now here we will form two number xy and yx. So when we will form xy, it will become 36, 406. And when we will form yx, then it will become 40636. Now this number is larger. So y will come before x in this. So this is how we can compare two numbers, and based on this we will sort the array. So now let's see the code for this. Starting with the main function, in this we have first entered the size of the array, then we have dynamically created an array, then we have entered the element of that array. Now we have called a function largest number and passed array and size of array as an argument, and we have stored the answer in a string variable named as answer, and at last we have printed that answer. So now let's see how largest number function works. So coming to the largest number function, it has a return type of a string. It has two parameters to accept. First is array and second is the size of the array. So in this we have first created an answer variable and initialized it with null, that is the blank Then we have a int count 0 and inside it with 0. Then we have created a vector of a string. Now we have run a loop till the size of the array, and we have checked the condition. If a of I is equal to 0, that means if the element is 0 or not. If it is 0, then we will increase the count of 0, and we will push back the element in the str vector by converting it into string. So after coming out of the loop, we will check if count 0 is equal to n, which means all the number in the array is 0. So we will return 0 here because the largest number which we can form is 0. Now we will sort if this condition becomes false, then we will sort this string vector using this compare function. So let's see the compare function first. So coming to the compare function, it has a return type of int and it accepts two string argument x and y. So now we will create xy in which we append y at the end of x and yx in which we append y at x at the end of y. Now we will compare using compare function of a string, that is xy.compare yx is greater than 0. If this condition becomes true, it will return 1, otherwise it will return 0. So this will tell how we have to arrange the element to form the largest number. Then we again run a loop and update our answer as answer plus equal to str of I. At last we will return answer from here. So let's see the run part. So here it is asking for the size of the array. So let the array size be 4. Now we have to enter element. Let the element be 33, 30, 2, 41. So let's see the output, what we can form. So the output come out as 441, then this 3, then 30, then 2. So this is the output which is generated. That means this is the largest number which we can form from this array element. That's all for this lecture. Thanks for watching. I will see you in next lecture. Till then, keep learning and keep exploring.